I'm a UK student of Mr. Ashwin Kumar's W D Gann training course. This is his website, and I've pulled it onto his modules page. Um, I wanted to provide a quick review of my experience with his training so far. I found Mr. Ashwin Kumar on YouTube, and I was inspired to contact him after I saw some of his market calls he did on a live webinar. The speed and accuracy that he showed really intrigued me to learn from him. So I started with his course, Module 1. Before coming to him, I had already tried to learn Gann by myself and from various different people. To mention a few, Miles Winston Walker, Kit Wong, Olga Morales, George Harrison, Michael Jenkins. Not sure if you know any of them. Great people, but just I couldn't get what they were teaching to work for me. And that, that's a few names. I also bought a number of expensive books from the Sacred Science Institute. Again, I just couldn't get the techniques and things to work from that material. It felt like something was missing that would help me to put everything together, to connect the pieces. But for me, it didn't work. And at the moment, for me, it looks like to become considered profitable, what I'm learning from Mr. Ashwin Kumar hopefully will do the job. So far, I've completed Module 1 and have also enrolled on Module 2 to 5, which I am currently working on, working my way through. Astrology is a new subject for me, so I want to thank Mr. Ashwin Kumar for teaching me from the basics and having the patience, as I'm a bit slow, not the quickest person to pick this up, but it's working because his method of teaching is pretty easy going. So thank you for that. What I've learned from Mr. Ashwin Kumar so far is definitely what W D Gann teaches. But the way Mr. Ashwin Kumar teaches it is nice, simple, and straight to the point, and easy to implement. That's the main thing for me, anyway. Easy to implement. After learning the methods in Module 1, we tested them on different markets, which I chose randomly. This was great as it gave me another level of confidence. Now, what I'm learning from Mr. Ashwin Kumar is great. It works on any market that I can think of. So that was a real eye opener. As I mentioned briefly before, Mr. Ashwin Kumar's teaching method is really easy to understand. Anyone can learn from him. I found that some methods are so easy to implement. It was hard for me to actually, believe that they actually do work. And yes, they do. I can't go into too much of the stuff because obviously I'll let him talk to you about them when you join his course. But this was a real eye opener. Something simple, doesn't have to be complicated, and just works. Also, having support from Mr. Ashwin Kumar, any time during the course, after the course has finished, is invaluable. Not many people offer that. Knowing that I can ask him questions about something after the course means I don't need to rush and apply everything he's taught me in Module 1. I can implement one thing at a time and cross-check with Mr. Ashwin Kumar what I'm doing, make sure that it makes sense, and I'm not doing something incorrect, which is going to go against what my goal is of being profitable. Learning W D Gann by yourself is extremely difficult. I'm sure most of you can, attest to that as well. Or those who have actually tried to decode his material. It is super difficult. I found it super difficult, and in most cases, it's impossible without a mentor. And I feel that Mr. Ashwin Kumar is now definitely the mentor that I've been looking for to help me through W D Gann's material. I've tried to trade without getting, the proper education, and that has and that's just guesswork using indicators and whatnot. It's just gambling at the end of the day, isn't it? Because you're just guessing what you think is going to happen. Even though I've tried to learn from so many different people and books, if the trainer or author isn't willing to share the main ideas and the main, concepts behind what they're teaching you, it's just not going to work. I feel like I have now found my mentor, Mr. Ashwin Kumar, as he is willing to share what he knows and how to use the tools and techniques. with W D Gann's methods being advertised as having around 80 to 85% accuracy, I feel with what I'm learning from Mr. Ashwin Kumar, I can probably get that accuracy up, into the high 90s, if not 100%. I guess I just need to stick to the rules that he's teaching me and be patient and wait for the trade to come to me rather than me just jumping in for the sake of jumping in. Just before I go, I would like to say thank you. Should you should definitely get the right advice and the training if that's what you feel you're lacking. Before you apply real money, you can lose so fast in the markets, and if you don't know what you're doing or if you're not forewarned, just remember it's better to be ready and not have an opportunity than have an opportunity and not be ready. And in the markets, most of the time we have an opportunity, but we're just not ready to engage. The markets are always going to be around. Take the time, to study, learn the material, learn from someone who knows what he's doing, um, you know, and then go for it. So, with that, thank you all for listening. I hope to come back with another review once I've completed the other modules, and hopefully I can give you more insights. Thank you, and speak to everyone soon.